I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. Oh.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Oh, why do I have this over the water? So it is, what day is today? Wednesday. It's Wednesday, and yeah, so starting off the new vlog because I think I should have enough footage for the vlog I started before. All right, guys, so right now I will be doing breakfast. I don't know how I do it. I need to figure it out. But yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing right now. I don't know what I want to do, but I need to clean up the kitchen first before I start that. So I'm gonna do that and then get to breakfast. Yeah. Hey guys, so anyways, so it's been quite some time since I spoke to you guys. It's around after 12 now. By the way, my new video is up and running, so if you have not checked that out, please go and do so right now. It is currently 12:25 and I just finished, straightening my room because after yesterday's extravagant shopping thingy, I kind of had a lot of stuff. Plus I was clearing out my school bag and fixing that up. You guys will be getting that video as well. And yeah, so I'll eat breakfast and pull up back the kitchen. I'm gonna clean so good before I start breakfast this morning. Yeah. Can you imagine? More split this morning. I'm gonna stop making the family eat because this is what happens. I can't bother. So yes, I have to wash the plates again, clean up, and I'll get back to you guys. Bye. So you guys, every time I wash the vegetables, I'm gonna top wash there, I'm gonna top wash. Oh, kinda. Oh wow, this looks like it's just warm though. Alright guys, okay, I'm trying to make my burritos that I bought yesterday. So I placed one in the pot and I'm trying to heat it up. Okay, now I have to heat it up and then put the things in it and whatever. So I'm always putting in my mozzarella cheese that I bought, as well as some ham. I put on this fix all along. But anyways, we're going to be cooking that and have some butter and whatnot. Hopefully it will taste okay. Yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, I kind of figured to me actually I show you what I do. But I started to eat. This is what it looks like basically. But yeah. It is tasty. And I really like the ham I call the ham something what I'm putting in it. That's good. Shan, how's it?
Hi guys, so the other part of my morning that I just forgot, I actually just finished eating our plates.
Hi guys, good morning. I think I already started this vlog. We're going back to our nail tech. No, not do my nails. I'm gonna follow that girl here. Gotta do her tour. Would you like to say hi? Yeah, she buy new shoes, she buy new slippers, and she wanna wear them, so she gonna do her too. I'm following, she never follow me. Can you imagine? Anyways, yes, so we are going to walk to Toya. Yeah, I'm going to go on camera today. Hey guys, so Shani two finally do. Them actually cute. Them have a buzz. Them have a buzz. Them have a buzz. People them have a buzz.
Big up to the near take but me now go back because she have favoritism. I love the same attire, but me now come back and you shop your two time bad.
Whoa. Anyways, so she convinced me and me attire favorites. But oh well. Part of life. Guys, I'm quite excited because yeah, I'm quite excited because my package is finally here. I haven't yet collected it, but when I do, you guys will see that video. I think I'm gonna collect it tomorrow and do the video, so the video probably will be out before this vlog is out. So yeah, hopefully I should be going to get it tomorrow, along as well as to get some other stuff. So yeah. Because I want to buy something in the town area tomorrow to do another video. So alright guys, so she puts on her slippers what she buy. She just want wear the slippers them in with cute toe. Yeah, bye bye.
Take the picture.
Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here.
Smells so good.
Carry your hand.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna cook my dinner right now. Then I have soup. So I'm going back for my good old tortilla. So welcome to another episode of Cooking with Shakay. What do I want? So I'm gonna cook. I think I'm gonna make 3 of these things or 2. I'm gonna make 3. Quite hungry. I know guys that the light in here is terrible, like so terrible, but that's that. Alright guys, so I got my franks. I have this chicken nuggets. We have some salami, and we have some tortilla and cheese. Took it out of the stove. I think I'm gonna do 2 or 3. I don't know. So yeah, I'm cooking my, I call it something like franks. Yeah, in your dog. That's why. And these are cooking my prawns. And I'm gonna try to spice it up with some hot pepper. So yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, this is what I have. I ended up doing only 2. One has the franks, one has the salami thingy in it. So yeah, I'm using the stove so I can actually, you know, finish them, put them on and whatnot, let them cheese melt and whatever. And then I'm gonna make my drink. I brewed myself some iced tea. I'm gonna mix some and see how it tastes. So I'm gonna do it small first, and then if it tastes good, then I continue making it. It's something bigger. Yeah. So I'm gonna need my cup around here. I'm gonna try putting some syrup and some lime juice. I'm 7 lime juice and some sugar and this. we're gonna see if it's gonna taste good. Alright guys, so I'm done with this. Yeah, my iced tea, nice something. We're gonna do a taste test. Yes guys, so let's start with this. Yum. And then let's try the salami one. It hot. It's alright. It tastes bad. Just tastes like a normal balloon. Alright guys, let's try. Put pepper in it. Okay. I'm gonna eat. Alright guys, so it is that time again. Yeah, lesson plan. The dreadful thing of a teacher doing your lesson plans. It's that time again, people. It's that time again. Hi guys, so I'm actually at the moment. So I'm in Khalid and I'm at juicy at the moment. Yeah.
Yes. $50. $50.
Yeah. Okay guys, I want to just thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.